What are you doing?
Removing the front engine cover off a C1 radial engine. It should come out. And there's the inside.
So we've had some issues with this engine. It got taken out of the tank a little while ago.
Yeah,
We're looking for all the ball bearings.
Oh, let's plug this down somewhere.
It looks quite tidy.
Let's get my magnet. Yeah, in there.
So there's...
Somewhere is
Can't see very well.
a load of bits.
From the chewed up bearing.
Well, we've lost 50. No, there's one. There's one ball bearing down in there. About 15 ball bearings, and a bearing case.
It's probably quite chewed up.
Let me get my magnet.
So looking for the ball bearings or bits of the...
Remains of the bearing race that was in the supercharger that broke up.
So there's the sump. That's the bottom of the engine, so it should be in there somewhere.
No, it's not a sump. That's the crankcase.
No, this bit here.
Oh, there. Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't measure the point of that.
Yeah. Right. Let's see with the magnet. See if we've got anything.
Oh, that went clunk then.
Ah.
There you are. There's one piece. Good job. That's not going to fly around in the engine anymore.
Crikey. It's quite worn on the ends.
Well, it's only part of a casing.
We need to put it all together to make sure we get them all. It's like magnet fishing. What about this one here? Because this is the other side of the sump, isn't it?
I might have to go in with it, wash it out with some Caro, and then blow it out with an airline.
That's quite a big chunk though, isn't it?
I've kind of got